Where we at, Rebecca?
Little Shoals.
Yeah.
Going a bit.
What? Yeah, the sign's in the thing. I think it is. So we're at Little Shoals now. We're following that orange blaze back on the trail. And we're heading to Big Shoals. Not too far away. It is bigger than Little Shoals. There's like a branch or something. You're good. Alright, we made it through the night. No bear attacks or raccoon attacks overall. Just ate some breakfast. Then we're gonna start hiking. Picked a really good campsite last night. Right by the river. Absolutely gorgeous. Watch the steam roll off. Oh yeah, I'm shit ready. Hi. Use a hiking stick. Careful. It's very sandy. Oh. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Yay! It's funny, this is when I first started doing the little YouTube videos, and I think I only have like 3 seconds of the video, and it's literally just Grant going, "Shh, Big Shoals," and then that's the whole video. If we can find it, yeah. I don't remember. I think it was like one of these little bridges we went across.
Okay, well, we can just make it at one of the bridges.
Yeah.
We'll make it at all the bridges and then
Figure out which one it is. I like that. It's a good idea. How disrespectful would it be if we didn't cross that bridge?
Extremely disrespectful.
I know. Oh, that's the water we get. You want to filter some water? That's where it comes from. That's beautiful. Look how clean that looks.
Yeah.
Eagle Scout project.
24 Stephen Roddenberry.
Thanks, Steven.
Group 693. What was your troop number?
431. Oh no. Just go left. God dang it.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, it literally just crossed the river. Look, right here.
What do you mean cross the river?
Just cross the river. There's a tire. This, you need a bridge for this.
It says go right.
Yeah, and then right here it says go left.
What do you mean?
We can cross like up here maybe?
What are they thinking?
I don't know. Ooh, that one gave away a little bit. You got it, Rebecca. I don't know if I can fit in this. That little foam mat's just gonna stop.
You think so?
I don't know. You go first. Nice. Oh, jeez. Where are we at, Rebecca?
Shoals. Hi, hi. That's true. I don't need you if you how you feel.
Like a wide area. I don't remember. It was like towards the beginning of today. It's okay to like feel like you're breaking through. That was for me. Oh baby, that's hard to get up on the other side. I'm just getting out of your way. Yeah. Yeah, you can? Cool. Oh, I made it back to the Florida Trail Bridge. We are about a mile from the car. I think we're just gonna call it here for the weekend. Both feeling a little tired. It has been an awesome trip. We made it all the way to Big Shoals. Can't walk backwards. You good? Was it a little trip or a big trip? You okay? Jam your foot. This is the bridge. Yeah, it's kind of sketchy during the day, isn't it? Yeah. Oh yeah, because you couldn't see the bottom. I would love to learn an Irish drinking song. I feel like that's a really cool idea. Honoring the heritage and all that, you know, but it's also a cool thing to do.
Yeah.
Little Shoals! There it is. Our car's there.
That's good.
Yay! We didn't get towed. Nice job, Rebecca.
Thank you.